Hi, my name is Jason. I am the marketing manager at BigRep.
What are you looking forward to most to see at Rapid this year?
Well, I am personally quite biased in that. I was looking forward to seeing the BigRep Bio 250 as well as the BigRep Ultra 280. So that's something I was very much looking forward to seeing and actually showing to everybody here. But apart from that, really just seeing how the industry has shifted and changed and seeing what sort of applications might be new to the industry.
Segueing into that, what is something you'd like to see from the additive industry in the next 5 years?
Um, I think I'd like to see a lot more importance placed on the ability for platforms to be open or cross-compatible, right? I think right now the industry can be quite siloed, and the better that I think a lot more technologies can play together or talk to one another, it'll just be that much better for the industry as